Welcome to Little Data Courses. In this video, we're going to be discussing bounce rate and how this looks in Google Analytics 4. Now, in Universal Analytics, bounce rate is a metric that is commonly used. It is defined as the percentage of visitors that leave a web page without taking an action on your website. This includes clicking a link or making a purchase. That means that the users only viewed a single page and bounced from your website, and they did not convert. In Universal Analytics, you can easily find this in most reports. For example, if you look at the acquisition report, AL traffic, and channels, you'll see that bounce rate is easy to find under behavior. Now, you can also look at the behavior report, site content, and all pages, and you'll be able to see the bounce rate for each of your pages there. Now, in GA4, bounce rate is not something that you'll be able to find. As things have changed in the browsing behavior and different web experiences, bounce rate has become obsolete. Engagement metrics make their debut. Now let's open GA4 and navigate to the reports, acquisition, and the traffic acquisition reports. You'll see engaged sessions are one of the first metrics. Engaged session is defined as a session where a user is actively engaged through a website or app for at least 10 seconds. This can be customized to 60. They've had one or more conversion events or had 2 or more page or screen views. Now, the average engagement time per session shows when a user was on your site and engaging with it. Now, from there you'll see engaged sessions per user and also the engagement rate. Now, the engagement rate is the percentage of sessions that were engaged sessions. The higher the number for this metric, the better. Now, in a way, these engagement metrics are the exact opposite of the bounce rate and something new with GA4. We would love to hear if you guys are using these new metrics or if you're missing bounce rate. As always, happy exploring.